welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Of course, as you can see, I am in the car today. I'm driving because today is a work day, of course, for me. I am on my lunch break. Put my sunglasses on if you guys don't mind. So I have pretty much a lot of errands that I need to run. I want to go to Burlington because I'm looking for just like a cheap carry-on luggage, like not like a bag but like an actual luggage piece. So I want to look for that for Renzer because he doesn't have one, and so shoot, why are we freaking this is so annoying. And so if we go somewhere that we don't really need a whole lot of clothes, he'll just bring like a duffel bag. And we are going to LA in a few weeks, and I don't want him to just have to bring a duffel bag, you know. And I also want to go in Hobby Lobby because I need some more ornaments for my tree. I looked at Hobby Lobby's ornaments last week, but they were a lot more expensive than Michael's. There's a Hobby Lobby by my house, and Michael's is 20 minutes away, and then the same thing at work. I can get to Hobby Lobby way quicker than I can get to Michael's. Michael's is 20 plus minutes away from work as well if I try to go on like a lunch break. I want to go in Burlington though. Also, quick tip for you guys, if you guys like Adidas, Champion, any type brand that's like super expensive at Urban Outfitters and stuff like that, go to Burlington, because I can bet you that last time I found a Champion sweatshirt in Burlington for $13. I pay $75 for that same sweatshirt at Urban Outfitters. Okay guys, so this is what they have for luggage. I feel like I saw better prices on Amazon, so I think I might just get something on Amazon. Okay guys, so now I'm just at Starbucks. I just decided to go ahead and come over here because the line was pretty short, and usually when I see that, if I'm in this area and I see a short line at Starbucks, I usually just stop everything and just go straight to Starbucks. I didn't find anything in Burlington. I didn't really see any reasonable carry-on luggage. Like, it was like $60, and so I'm like, okay, yeah, I can definitely get this for half the price on Amazon. I'm staring at Hobby Lobby right now, but it's packed, and I know how Panera's lines are. They're like super long, so I'm gonna just go to Panera. Hey guys, so right now it is 8:02, and I'm currently editing vlogs. Editing yesterday and day one's Vlogmas. I'm almost done, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and finish decorating. I still never got any ornaments because I never went to Hobby Lobby or Michael's, so I'm just gonna put all the ornaments, like spread them out for now, and then when I get some new ornaments tomorrow, I'll just kind of fill in the spaces with those new ornaments. It's dinner. These Veggie Classics buffalo wings by Morningstar. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Okay guys, so this is the tree so far, and I'm actually really loving it. As you can see, I have a ribbon here going down the side, but I think I might do away with the ribbon. I was gonna do the ribbon on the sides and down the front, but I'm thinking I'm not really loving the ribbons. Put the ornaments all throughout the tree, and I am in love with it so far. I love the way it looks. I love the red, silver, and white ornaments that I have going on. It's definitely something different than what I did last year. These are all the ornaments that I have in here from last year. They're all the gold ornaments that I have. I've been picking those out. because I only have a few white ones left, and I only have a few red ones left as well. So I have to go to the store tomorrow. But why are you looking so creepy? Anyways, guys, this is like an up close of what we have going on so far. I'm of course sitting on the floor. So I'm really loving everything we have going on so far. The bottom of the tree is still pretty naked, and the back side of the tree where I'm gonna open up the window is still pretty naked as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish those off tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog, and I'll see you guys for day 4. Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 4. So I just got done getting ready. Obviously I still look like I've been sleeping. So today I just used my Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and then I used my favorite at the moment, which is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and then I set with my Laura Mercier powder, which I need more of. And I'm about to apply some MAC, this is Spice lip gloss. I've had this forever. And then I'm going to apply my mascara when I get to work. And then I'm going to head out the door. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. They are all out of ornaments. A lot smaller. Coming in here, you guys, because it's so freaking packed. You can't even stand and look at stuff without somebody running you over. These would only be $10. Alright, just get these. I feel like this is the size that I have. So yeah guys, they're pretty much all out of ornaments. So I will probably just have to go to Michael's. I do need another one of these outdoor boats. You guys, earlier I had something on my nose, so all of that footage is gone. So dark. I'm so mad about that too, because I'm sorry you guys, I'm walking in the dark right now, but I'm trying to get some footage for today, because I'm so mad that there was something on my nose and I didn't even see it until after I was reviewing the footage, and I was like, really? So now y'all can't see me. So if there is something on my nose, y'all won't know. No, I'm just kidding. But the lighting and everything was perfect, you guys. But luckily, the church that I just went and voted at, the polling location, it's like 2 minutes away from my house. So if that's probably like less than a minute away. Well, no, it's probably like 2 minutes away from my house. So, hey guys. So we're going in Hobby Lobby again because I did not feel like driving all the way to Michael's. Hopefully, because this Hobby Lobby is near the house, it won't be sold out of like ornaments and stuff, and we can get lucky here. So we shall see what we will find. Those are really pretty, those velvet ones. So pretty. I know I didn't come in here for this, but I really like these clocks as well. Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So right now I am driving into work. I don't have any mascara on, so that's probably why it looks like I don't have any makeup on. Guys, vlogging has been a lot easier, I guess. A lot more convenient, I'll just say that. Hasn't been easier because sometimes I forget to pick up the vlog camera. But it's a lot more convenient than like setting up lights and all of that, because that just takes a lot more time. So as you guys saw last night, I went to Hobby Lobby and it was a complete win. I ended up finding some red ornaments, although I think they are a little bit smaller. I just went ahead and got them anyways. Got another tree for my dining room table, and then I got some wrapping paper, some really pretty red wrapping paper for the like fake boxes and real gifts that are gonna be under the trees. Why does it look like there's like snow on the ground? You guys, it looks like it legit snowed right now here in Georgia. Gotta check to make sure there's nothing on my nose today, because all that footage I had yesterday. Hi guys, so guess what? It's lunch break time. Today I'm going to Target because I haven't been in like a week, and that's so out of character for me because I am always in Target, you guys, like always there. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car, got my Starbucks. I only went to the grocery section, got a few snacks. As you guys saw, I was kind of looking at the makeup, there wasn't really anything new there, so I kind of wasn't really spending a lot of time looking at the makeup. This is right next door, so I figured I might as well just mosey in there before I go get some food to see what Christmas stuff they have out. If I had time, I would go in Kirkland's as well, but I don't really have the time. That down there is really cute. I don't really have anything for it. Ross always has like really cute vases. Oh, this is cute. That's really nice. I could go in my office if I had like a space for it. I'm kind of looking for some lanterns too. I just haven't found the right ones that I want yet. But I am on the lookout. Sorry about all the car vlogging today, but I just usually get home and it's dark. There's like no light. Hey guys, so currently I just got home at 6:25. So today I need to film 2 videos. I have not filmed in like over a month, you guys. So right now I am setting up all of my stuff. That's the only thing about like doing all this on your own, especially after you get off a job, is that it's like not doing right today. But I'm in the middle of filming. I just got done filming this makeup look. It will be up very shortly. So yeah. This vlog will be up way before this makeup look will, though, because I don't know when. It takes a lot longer to edit makeup videos, but I don't know when this is going to be up. So yeah, so this is just what it looks like. I'm getting ready to film video number 2 though, and then I have to do so much other stuff tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on video number 2. Hey guys, so I just got done filming another video. Now I'm just kind of turning off my lights. We're about to lose some light here. What a difference lighting makes. So now we're getting ready to head to the grocery store to pick up a few things. Philips 4K Ultra HD TV. You said all of my boogers? I don't got no boogers. I just got done filming the video, so I know if I had boogers. You need a $6 one. This one's supposed to be extreme stick. Oh yeah, you needed the brush.
Sugar free? I just foam with the blade.
No, that pack is not sugar free that you have in your hand. Those taste like those strawberry cream candies. The breezers do. Those just taste like cherry. They like heat up. But it's just in the DM.
I'll try it nighttime DM. I'll put that.
Really? You had the double pack.
Nah, it's
You gonna get them both?